Hey, thanks for joining Uncle Mike this Monday, March 9th. This is a recap of the day trading room we had today. To start off, overall, we were 11 and 4, trading three contracts. It was a gross of $1,025. And out of the four stops, we had one at 2 points, two at 1 point, and one at 2 ticks. Well, let's go through a few here. I'll go through them quickly. These were pre-market, as you can see. We had one at 8:30. Let me go back. I think we had one even earlier. Yeah, we did, right there. We had one. These were all counter trend trades. We had one there. We had one at 8:45, and then oh, I didn't put it down. Oh, it's on another chart. I'll get to it. We had one at 9:10. We had a winner. We had another good one here. Counter trend divergence trade. We got for a point. There's our loser. We got in, and they went right past all the resistance areas, and hey, we got taken out. That was our 2 point stop. Let me just go through. I think it was later in the day. We had, let's see, oh, it was 101. It was the afternoon before we had any more counter trend. Here it is. 1 point, counter trend divergence trade. We were in right here. We were out with our point. Done and gone. We had a couple more here. Let's go in the afternoon. Later in the afternoon, 2:15, counter trend divergence trade. And again, the divergence trades are based off these charts, which if you come in the room, you'll learn how to use. We time them with our 500 share chart, in and out. We had one right here. We were in training mode at the time. This was another winner that is not counted on the charts. Now let's flip over to the afternoon. Here we go. This was that one I was talking to you about early on. We had in the morning. That was for 1 point. This one later, we were in with 1 and 2 points. That's our targets, 1 and 2 on this type of trade. Next one, 1 and 2. As you see, I marked the charts. This one ran away from us. We tried to get in here at the close of the bar. We had a limit order up in here, but the thing just shot down on us, so we weren't able to get in there. We were able, though, here and here. A couple more trades. And like I said, today, for some reason, we had... Uncle Mike considers too many trades. We had 15 trades. That's just way too many. This, we were looking at a counter trend divergence type trade, but this fired off. A couple of people in the room got this that don't take the divergences, counter trends. They got this, but didn't count it. This, my bad. Trying to take Uncle Mike out behind his trading shed and knock his head against the trees. This one we were in. Good signal, good everything. I put the stop too tight at 1 point, and you can see we were in here. It took us out by the tick. 2 point stop was down here, didn't give it enough room, so we lost a point on that. That's my fault. This one we get in, out with a point, and so forth. This here, again, we were in training mode, but this trade we did take here, and we were in for 2 points on our initial, and then 2 points on the runner. We brought our stop down. We were stopped out. We were 2 ticks from 5 points. Our target was 71 half, and it just traded down to 72. So we were out. This one we got out break even. My fault again. But there was a lot of time decay when we were in this one. Just wasn't moving here. We got in up here, so to limit the loss, we would have made favorably in that. But hey, it was a break even trade. And then this one here, we were involved in another trade, counter trend divergence. We didn't get in. We would have got in right here, and it would have worked out. So those were the trades for today. Sorry, I zipped through a lot of them. There happen to be a lot of trades. Feel free to come on in, take a free trial. Uncle Mike will be closing this room soon. When we get at our 50 members, the room will be closed, and then there'll be a waiting list. If anybody drops out, then we'll take somebody else on. Uncle Mike likes to take care of the members that are in the room help them be successful and become profitable traders. So thank you for joining me this Monday, this snowy Monday for Uncle Mike. I've got to go out and do a little bit of shoveling later, and hopefully we'll have the warm weather here soon. Thanks, and I'll see you tomorrow evening.